Welcome. In this video, we will explore full text search in SQL Server, a powerful feature that enhances search capabilities within your databases. Full text search allows for sophisticated searching of text data within SQL Server. It provides capabilities for searching natural language, making it essential for applications that require advanced search features. The benefits of full text search include improved performance for searching large text fields, support for complex queries like phrase searching, and relevance ranking that helps users find the most important results. To use full text search, you need to create a full text index and a full text catalog. It supports various data types including CHAR, var CHAR, text, NCHAR, NVAR CHAR, and ntext. First, you need to create a full text catalog. Here is the SQL syntax to create one, which serves as a container for full text indexes. This is crucial for organizing your text search capabilities. After creating a full text catalog, you can create a full text index on a specific table. This index enables the search functionality. Let us look at an example of how to create a full text index. Full text search allows you to use the contains and free text functions. Contains is used for precise searches, while free text searches for the meaning of words. Here are examples of both functions in action. You can enhance your searches using logical operators like AND, OR, and NOT. Additionally, full text search supports phrase searching and proximity searching, providing flexibility in how you retrieve data. Full text search has built-in support for stop words, which are common words ignored during searches. You can also use a dictionary to enhance search capabilities by including synonyms, broadening search results. While full text indexes improve search performance, they can impact write performance. It is important to maintain these indexes and periodically rebuild them to ensure optimal performance. In conclusion, full text search in SQL Server provides powerful tools for enhancing text search capabilities. I encourage you to implement these features in your applications to improve user search experiences. Thank you for watching.